Hey third graders, it's Mrs. Compton again, and today we're doing some more third grade year in review because, hey, we're at the end of the year. All right, so today we're gonna say hi to Mrs. Yates's class at Meadows. Hi, Mrs. Yates's class. I wish I could see you guys. It's been a long time, but here we are. So we're gonna do a little story. So the story is Mrs. Yates's class played a game. The class earns 5 points each time they answer a question correctly. All right, so just imagine you're playing a game in your class. Maybe it's a Quizlet. Who knows? The class earned 50 points on Monday. All right, so let's check this out. This is Monday right here. So I'm going to put Monday. I think maybe I'll just put Monday right here, right? And we know that each time they answer a question, they get 5 points, right? So each time they answer it correctly. All right, so each time they answer it correctly, it's worth 5 points. So we can see that this is one answered correctly. So my question to you is, how many questions did the class answer correctly on Monday? So how many questions did they answer correctly? All right, so let's check this out. I want you to do your thinking. You can hit pause for your think time. All right, so we already know they got 50 points on Monday, right? So we're not asking that. We just want to know if there are a certain number of points assigned to each question, how many questions they answered correctly. So maybe you used this and you counted 5, 10, 15, 20, all the way up to 50. So maybe you solved this by doing 5 times what equals 50. Or maybe you thought about division. Maybe you thought about all 50 points divided by 5 points per question, and you thought, okay, well, that would give me the answer for Monday. All right, so what would that answer be for Monday? 5 times what makes 50? Well, you probably know that 5 times 10 makes 50, and 50 divided into groups of 5 make 10. And you can actually see that here. So I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, all right, let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And we could also count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. All right, so that's part 1. Get ready. I'm going to give you part 2. Stay tuned just a second. All right, you ready for part 2? So this is the same as part 1, but I've added a question down at the bottom. So the class answered 7 questions correctly on Tuesday. What is the total number of points earned on both days? All right, what is the total number of points earned on both days? And also I want you to tell me how that would change this representation or this model. If I was going to use the same model, what would I do? All right, everybody click pause so you can do your think time. All right, so maybe you realized up top that we had on Monday 10 columns, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that represented the number of questions answered correctly. So maybe some of you were actually thinking, hey, we could add 7 more columns. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, each question is still worth 5 points. Okay, so I'm actually going to draw in so you can actually see. So I have lines on my paper, but I don't know if you can see them that well. So 7 questions were answered correctly on Tuesday. So this would be Tuesday. And we're trying to find out, well, actually, no, that's not true. This is Tuesday, and we're trying to figure out this whole thing because the class is saying, what is the total number of points earned on both days? Okay, so I actually love to represent the piece of the puzzle that I'm looking for with a question mark. So I'm going to grab a red marker and I'm going to show the final question that we're trying to solve is actually, I'm going to go right over the Monday. Woo! We're trying to find this. What's the total there? So I changed my tape diagram or my model. So what do you think? How many points were earned all together? Let me know in the comments what you found out. All right, talk to you later. Bye.